Have you ever wondered if you can really change your memories? Like, is it possible to go back and change that one time you forgot your anniversary? Or, that one time you got caught in the rain without an umbrella and you were stuck listening to Nickelback on repeat for 3 hours straight? Well, the good news is that you totally can change those memories. And no, I'm not talking about those fake memories that you tell yourself to make yourself feel better. I'm talking about actually changing the memory in your brain. And this is all possible thanks to neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to change its structure and function based on new experiences. And while it might sound kind of scary at first, like what if your brain starts changing in ways that you don't want it to? The truth is that your brain is constantly changing in response to new experiences, whether you want it to or not. So it's a good idea to learn how to change your memories on purpose, rather than having those changes just happen to you. One way to do this is through active memory reactivation, which has been shown to facilitate the change of stored memories. There are a number of ways to do this, but one of the simplest is through something called positive memory recall. Here's how it works. First, you need to find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Next, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Then start to bring to mind a positive memory, like a time when you were happy or felt a sense of accomplishment. It doesn't matter what the memory is as long as it's positive. As you're bringing this memory to mind, try to relive it as vividly as possible. See the sights, hear the sounds, smell the smells, taste the tastes, and feel the feelings. The more vivid the memory, the better. Once you've got that positive memory really going, then start to bring to mind a negative memory, like a time when you were upset or felt a sense of shame. Again, it doesn't matter what the memory is, as long as it's negative. Now here's the tricky part. You need to try to combine the two memories together. Bring them together in a way that makes sense. For example, if the positive memory is a time when you were happy, and the negative memory is a time when you were upset, try to imagine a situation where you were able to turn that negative experience into a positive one. This may take some time and practice, but the more you do it, the easier it will become. Another thing that can help with this process is something called mindful breathing. A study published in the journal Learning and Memory found that a few minutes of mindful breathing can significantly enhance memory recall. So take a few deep breaths, pay attention to the sensations of breathing, and then try to recall that memory. You can also try something called focused attention training, which has been shown to enhance the formation of new memories. This involves focusing your attention on a specific object or task while you're doing it. For example, when you're eating, really pay attention to the food in front of you. Notice the colors, textures, and smells. When you're talking to someone, really listen to what they're saying. Don't let your mind wander. By doing this, you'll create new memories that are stronger and more detailed. So there you have it. It's actually possible to change your memories. And all you need is a little bit of practice. Just remember, you can't change the past, but you can change how you remember it. And hey, maybe that's even better. Leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button